Let's begin. Hi guys, hi everybody. I do not want that everybody look at this video and watch it, but even if they, it's not a big deal. So I just came from an event and I thought I should shoot this video. I do not know how do I look, how my camera quality is, etc things. I just want to talk about a lot of things because I do not think so, and it is very certain that this opportunity will not come ever again because I will not be a teenager anymore in few hours. Oh my god. I don't know what to say, how to say. I just want to pour out myself. Want to shoot this video to upload it so that you know that my phone storage capability, even if it does not support me in life, someday I will watch this video. I will upload it on YouTube, anywhere that's possible, to look at, to see that what this version of me being a 19-year-old was. And I really want it to be a happier version that I'm truly is somewhere. Oh my god, I will not be a teenager anymore. I am going to be a 20, an adult. And am I afraid? Yeah. Am I sad? No. Because I believe that not everything was good. I have not done great in my life yet. And I could have done better. I sometimes think so. But I do not want to end it on a bad note that just ruin my upcoming life, or even to make feel that 5 or 6 year old Garima that she didn't do great when she was in her teens. I did. I tried my best. So I will be shooting आगे का कपड़े वपड़े उतार के चेंज करके, and I really want to do something huge, like for my own self, that makes me happy and something memorable. So I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do that, and after coming to the from there, I will shoot a recent video. And I really do not care what others will be thinking, what others will be complimenting, how do I look, how do I present myself, not a good English whatsoever. I just want to shoot myself out. Yeah, and I will be uploading it before 12 today, most probably, even not by morning for sure. Yeah, see you. I am back, and yeah, I didn't do my eyebrows because to the shop that I used to go, like I have done my eyebrows once last year, so that shop was closed. So we'll do next time now. Okay. I'm shooting this video in my PG room in Delhi, alone in my room, and I do not know that how do I feel. I cannot even express it so well. Like the 19 years of my life has been great, if I would say. I know, I think that I could do great, I could do amazing, but today I do not want to talk about it. I think I want to think it, and I want to take it like that yeah, whatever I could do, I have given my best in everything. And yeah, I am proud of myself. I do say it to me. So I want to talk about a few lessons that I have learned, and I do not want to forget them ever again in my life, and I want to carry them forward. Before that, I am really 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 grateful for the family that I have, for the few special people that I have in my life, because of them, I am so happy. I am doing what I really want to do. And especially my mom, dad, my mummy, papa, dadi, bada pa, badi mummy, and my sisters, who has been the greatest supporters to me in each and everything in my life. And yeah, I really miss the time when we three were together. We used to go to school, have fights thrice a day, and a lot of things. Now we three are apart, and it really 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 feels a bit emotional. And guys, this is my first birthday that I will be celebrating away from my home. Like अभी तक मैं घर पे जाती थी बर्थडे पर छुट्टियों में, and yeah, it feels really emotional. Okay, so the first lesson that I will go forward with will be that no one cares what you're doing in your life. really nobody has business looking at you. I want to take this because I really wanted to do content creation from so long, but I was afraid of a lot of things, about my looks, about the resources, about the tools, about my breasts and all, but I never did. And I even do not know मैं अभी भी start कर पाऊँगी या नहीं. But I really want to start it, want to talk about things, what I think, my opinions, my perspective, and a lot of things that I really love talking. Second is that no one care and love you more than your parents. It's the ultimate truth of life. Like whatever happened, you will be in your best situation, you will be in your worst circumstances of your life, it will be your parents who will be there with you always. Not even the closest person you think that will be, they will never. So be grateful to your life, be grateful to your parents and love them, show them your love. I am really grateful because जब मैं घर में थी तो I do not used to talk a lot to my parents, like सिर्फ उसको रात में थोड़ी बहुत बात कर ली and this that. But now when I'm out, they do care about me कि I'm safe here, I'm good here, मैं टाइम पे खाना खा रही हूँ, कॉलेज जा रही हूँ, पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ and all. तो हमारी बातें हो रही हैं वीडियो कॉल पे, वी डू लाफ एंड आई ऑलवेज टेल माई मॉम एट द एंड ऑफ द कॉल, आई लव यू बोलो, शी सेज लव यू. I really, these moments are actually so special. I always try, I do not miss calling them every day. Then third thing, which is one of the hardest lessons that I have learned this year only, that sometimes we think that people who were with you from a very long time, or you thought that these people will be forever. No, they will not be. And you have to accept it that it's life, people come and go, life goes on still. So still be okay, try to move on, but it's okay, like let it be. So yeah, fourth lesson is that do not just say no to things just because the people around you are not ready for it, or are not doing the same thing. Like I would say, I am so proud of myself for this one thing, that since my school life, since my childhood, I have always wanted to be that student who is good at everything that is in her way. Good at academics, good at extracurriculars, good at extempore, good at debating, good at anchoring, good at sports a bit. I was not that good in sports, I would say, but I always tried. Like I had weird things, people used to bully me somewhere, but yeah, I was so rebel and so loud, so people were used to stay thoda sa dur hi. But I did. I used to, feel underconfident. I used to feel insecure. Like, क्या बोलेंगे लोग मुझ पे हंसेंगे. But anyhow, I used to give my name and I used to do it. And I'm really grateful for the teachers that I have from my school. Like the support that I have from there. I would say, like I do not have grudges that whatsoever my school life was. It was amazing. I have got the opportunities whatsoever possible, and I did my best in that too. So and like every time I used to think that people are not giving the names for the positions, for the captains, for being the monitor, but I have never thought about कि मेरे friends नहीं दे रहे तो मैं भी नहीं देती. I always used to give my name, and I used to take this that position and to serve there. There it was used to be very big thing. Now I look there, but still it feels like, oh my god, yeah, I did this, I did that. Then when I came to Delhi, no one from my school batch or my friends were coming here, and that was something that I really felt bad about it, कि मेरा सबसे ना bond दूर हो जाएगा, and a lot of things will change in my life, and they somewhere did. But I learned this thing so far, that the real bond which I really wanted to have in my life were the same. No matter what was the distance between us people, and these friends are still with me, so I'm really grateful for that too. Then the fourth thing that I want to talk about is, please take care of yourself. It is one of the best thing that I really do not take care of myself too much, but I really try कि मैं अपनी 10 के steps पूरी कर लूँ अपना. I take enough water, be hydrated, and do exercise as much as possible. And like do little things that makes you happy. So please take care of yourself. It is very important, especially not only physical health but also this very mental health, because we do not realize that how किसी इंसान का एक टेक्स्ट कभी कभी पूरा ruin कर देता है. Like somebody is not talking to you, please do not give these things so much of your time and your focus. Try to be happy. Do not try to give damn to everything that is happening in your life, bad or worse, please. The fifth thing actually I want to say is that so the fifth thing I want to say is that be grateful to each and everything that you have in life. Do not take anything for granted. Be kind to others. Really, really, really. Like you should be that empathetic that you are doing something bad to someone, and so you are not able to sleep. You are not able to focus on yourself anymore. You feel bad about that, and whenever possible, say sorry. If you think that anything your sorry can somewhere handle the situation, can make it better, do that. And but when realize that you really want that, and I guess we can make compromises for the people we love. I have always been a big believer of this thing, that for the people we love we can do a lot, and that's what life is. Love and happiness is what all it matters. uh, the sixth thing is that please have real friends in life. Your circle, no matter how big your circle is, how many followers you have, how many Instagram stories people mention you, and that does not matter. Or it is also does not matter after a time that how many people are wishing you are happy from anything that you're achieving in your life. दो लोग हों बट ऐसे लोग हों those are really really happy and अच्छे से like रियल खुश हों आपकी सक्सेस को देखकर. It is very important that having such people, and I am grateful that I have those people in my life. Yeah, really. And yeah, like I don't know कितनी सारी चीज़ें छूट रही हैं. But to anybody who is in their teenage, because I will not be a teenage anymore, I am being an adult now. So I would just say, guys, do whatever you want in your life. Do not just because आपके सामने वाले आपके साथ वाले लोग मना कर रहे हैं, ना कर रहे हैं, उसको डिफ़िकल्ट बोल रहे हैं. Do not think that, and whatever your dream is, and it is okay that you do not do what people expect you to do, and even you somewhere yourself expected कि मैं ये करूँगी. It is okay to change streams, to switch streams. It is okay to not appear for that examination that everybody around you expected कि ये बच्चा तो NEET या JEE देगा ही. It is not. It's all okay. It's all okay. Then please be good at academics. The only thing that you should focus on being good at academics. I remind this myself to every single day कि मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है, because coming to college मेरी academic बहुत ज़्यादा downfall हो गया somewhere, because I always used to be a bright student at school, and I really miss that. But like somewhere I'm in a lot of things now. I am having different responsibilities. We should not talk about that here, but please be good at academics, because our parents are just investing their everything somewhere for giving us the best education, for best things in life. So it is our responsibility somewhere as their children, as their son and daughter, to be good that. And I promised myself that I will study well, will great at academics in whatever field I want to, no matter how much time it will take, but I will show to myself, not to anybody out there, that yeah, I did great. And somewhere at the end, the goal of the life is to make the people proud, especially our parents, our friends, the people who loves us. That's the end goal, right? So be with that and stick with it. Let's together do that. Then I never thought that मैं कभी what I'm doing today, I never thought I will be doing that when I was 5 or 6 year old. I do not remember exactly. One thing I want to mention that the thing in me that I really want to achieve a lot of things in my life. I want to do great, like a lump sum amount of money, some luxuries to make my parents travel the world, to myself traveling the world, a lot more dreams like each one of us. So I promise that I will really work hard on them. I will really be happy, because happiness is the ultimate goal somewhere again. Then yeah, and be insanely focused in life. I remember that when I was in this is a very story which has really shaped me somewhere, that I am whatever I am today. That when I was in my fourth or fifth standard in my school, I've seen my seniors there कि they were having the badges of head girl and head boy. There was investor ceremony going on, and then I thought कि ये सब common students में ये सिर्फ गिनती के 5-6 लोगों को ही badges क्यों मिल रहे हैं. सो देन आई आस्क्ड अ टीचर आउट देयर कि लाइक कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि इन्हीं बच्चों को मिलेंगे. देन द टीचर टोल्ड मी दैट कि बेटा लाइक जो बच्चा बेस्ट होता है ना उन सब में, जो अच्छा करता है सारी चीज़ों में, वैसा होगा, उससे वो चीज़ मिलती है. तो उस लाइक अच्छा. सो देयर फ्रॉम देयर दैट थिंक केम टू माई माइंड कि आपको अच्छा होना पड़ेगा. एंड जो हम दिखाते हैं वो हम बनते हैं. इफ़ even to show that I am the best, I am good at everything, I have become that person. I'm becoming that person, I'm not become yet. So, and that dream of 5-6 4th 5th standard girl, me, and when I came to my class 12th, I became the president of my school. I'm not flexing it, I do not want to flex it, it's just very small things, सब बन जाते हैं. बट दैट वॉज इन मी बिकॉज क्योंकि मैंने वहाँ से सोच ली थी चीज़ क्या, मुझे अच्छा बनना है, मुझे अच्छा करना है, मुझे इसमें अच्छा होना है, इसमें अच्छा होना है. आई डेंट थिंक अबाउट कि मैं अगर इस एक्टिविटी में पार्ट लूँगी. आई यूज टू रियली 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 बी इनसिक्योर व्हेन आई यूज टू गो ऑन स्टेज एंड गिव स्पीचेस, गिव vote of thanks, give do anchoring, because मेरी like braces नहीं थे पहले, तो I used to do not look good, my smile was not good enough. But I I used to feel insecure that जो सामने लोग बैठे हैं मेरा चेहरा अच्छा दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है, even I'm speaking and talking good or not, so they will judge me, they are laughing on me, and some people did, like it's okay. बट आई केप्ट इट सेकेंडरी बिकॉज मुझे लगा अब तो मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई, मुझे करना है, एंड दैट इज़ द ओनली गोल इन लाइफ नाउ. And I never gave it second thought to give up, and I did. And finally, when I became the president, I was so happy, not because I have become the president, because I have truly never give up on believing what I wanted to believe in, that I can do anything, I can achieve anything in life. And I know it's just a beginning, it's just a start, it's just 19 years. अभी कॉलेज ख़त्म होगा 1 साल बाद, and a lot is going on, a lot will be coming, and I promise that I will achieve, I will do that. I do not know what else is left, that I am grateful, and I hope that God help me in everything, and I live happy, I stay honest, I stay genuine, I stay loyal to everyone around me, and especially to my own self. And I try to make my country, my nation, everything, everyone around me happy, and have a better life. I'm so happy now that I have really poured out myself out there to this camera. Now nothing is in me. I just want to say that whoever are the part of my life, whoever people who supports me, who knows me barely, who knows me completely, who knows me somewhere, thanks to them, thanks to God, thanks to Almighty, thanks to the universe, thanks to all those energy that exists, thanks to even the people who do not like me, because of them I do sometimes better. And it is okay, everything, लेकिन आफ्टर टाइम सब चीज़ें ठीक हो जाती हैं. हमें लगता है कि ये दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, लाइक आज तो मेरी दुनिया ख़त्म हो जाएगी अगर ये चीज़ हो गई. आफ्टर टाइम यू विल रियलाइज दैट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. इन अ टाइम आई फेल्ट समबडी टोल्ड मी अ नो इन समथिंग, एंड आई रियली फेल्ट कि ओ माई गॉड मुझे इतना बड़ा फेलियर कैसे मिल गया, आई कैन नॉट लिव एनी मोर. एंड टुडे आई रियलाइज ओ माई गॉड दैट वाज सच अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट हैपेंड, रियली 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 ग्लैड दैट हैपेंड, बिकॉज आई एम सो हैप्पी and grateful. So yeah, life goes on, चीज़ें आती सी जाती रहेंगी. Learn from people. I have really 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 great people around me in Delhi, in my hometown, in my family, to learn from. And yeah, shit happens, you have to deal with that. Regrets are not for weak people. And yeah, I think I should end it here. So, to the 6-year-old Garima, be proud of yourself, and your future version will be proud of yourself. I will make sure that this present version today, and to the future 25-30 year Garima who is in becoming. So I promise you that whatever your dreams are, whatever you want to achieve, however kind of a person you want to become, I will try hard and hardest for becoming that, for being that version. Not for anybody, literally not for anybody, but for my own self, but for you. And for that 6-year-old girl who thought wants to change the world. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, even not for watching, but I did my work and I'm so glad I did. Yeah. So once again, it's been भी 1 घंटा है, but I want to say myself happy birthday, and you live long life, not a long life but a well life, a happy life. I love myself. Bye bye. May God bless us all and we do great in our life.